Hello everyone, thank you for joining this video. In today's video we are going to discuss about the value of English language. You know what, there are so many people who are learning English language. Some of the people who are living in rural areas, some of the people who are living in urban areas. So the people who are living in urban areas, so they may not have to face so many problems while speaking English language, while learning English language. They may not have to face criticisms by the people when they will be speaking English language, because in urban areas the people know about it. The people value that, yeah, this person is speaking English language, and whoever speaks English language, they just pay attention. They pay attention towards him or her, and they just value the person who speaks English language. They respect, you know. But if I talk about rural areas, so if a person who wants to learn English language and he starts his journey of speaking English language, his journey of learning English language, so many people just give him or her advices like, why are you learning English language? What is the need of learning English language? What will you do after learning English language? What will you do? There is no use of this language. Here no one speaks. Everyone speaks their own mother tongue. So who will speak English language? What will you do after learning it? So many things they just talk about, you know. So that's why I'm saying that if you are a person who is living in rural areas, so my friend, don't say anyone that I am learning English language, except of those who are respecting you, who are knowing that yes, you are learning, it is a good thing, and just keep it up. Just learn and just keep learning it, keep speaking. And you know what, they just encourage us, and they say that just try to prove those people who are not aware about it, that what is the value of this language, what is the value of this language. So my friend, I just want to say one thing. If you are learning English language, so just pay attention whatever you are doing. If you are learning and so many people are just criticizing you that why are you learning it, no one speaks here, and have a look here, they just make you fun as well. They will say that, have a look here, he's Angrez and he's just speaking English language, even no one is able to understand here, and I don't know what will he do after learning it, what will he do after speaking it, and where will he go after learning this language, and what kind of things to talk about I cannot share with you, you know. So that's why I'm just saying that if you are someone who is learning English language, who is trying to speak English language, so just keep learning, keep speaking every single day, keep learning, and just complete your task. I mean, try to learn, try to just complete your task and prove them after learning English language, prove them after speaking English language, and do something. If you are able to speak English language, just do something extraordinary, so that they could be aware about it. They could think like, yes, we can do something by this language. And they could not say that, yeah, there is no value of education, there is no value of English. You know what, the same thing happened to me as well. Why my English is so poor, why I'm struggling while speaking English language. Even I can speak, but sometimes what happens that I just face problems while speaking English language, just because of the people, just because of those things, you know. When I used to learn English language, let me tell you actually what happened to me. See, when I used to learn English language, so when I started, so I just asked some of the people that what is the use of English if I learn it, so I'm just thinking to learn it. So many people were saying that, what will you do after learning it, it's a language, and no one speaks here, there is no use of this language, what will you do? Some of the villagers said that there is no use, what will you do after learning it, what will you do? Then I said, okay, but I really wanted to learn. I didn't notice, I didn't just care about those people, whatever they were saying. I just started learning it and I started speaking it. But one thing I must say, I didn't tell them after some time that I am learning it and I'm doing this kind of things. outside for speaking English language with myself. No one was there. Still no one is here. I speak alone with myself, and I have this kind of ability to speak with myself. There is no problem. I can speak with myself, yes. And this habit helped me a lot, and it has been helping me since my childhood even. I have been speaking with myself for a long time, and because of this habit, today I am speaking here. Today I am able to speak English language, because at those days, even my family was not valuing this language. And I was not speaking in my home as well, because no one knows about it, no one understand it. And they people used to just make it fun, this is Angrez and he's just speaking English language, and no one is able to understand whatever he is saying. So they just don't value. Okay. Nowadays they are just thinking like, yeah, whatever you are doing, it is good, and just keep it up, and let's see what happens after speaking English language, after learning it. What can you do? Let me see. And nowadays they are just valuing, they are just respecting that yes, you can learn and you should learn. Nowadays they are encouraging me that you can learn. And before some time when I started learning, so there was no one, even I didn't tell my family as well that I am doing these kind of things, I am learning English language. No one used to value this, no one used to respect that whatever you are doing, it is good. They used to make it fun, they used to make me fun, that they used to criticize, that whatever you are doing, what will be happen after learning this language? Will you become Angrez? Do you want to become Angrez? Do you want to become an British? So I used to face a lot of problems while doing this kind of thing. And just because of this thing, I couldn't speak in front of those people, in front of my family, and in my village as well. I couldn't speak. I never ever spoke in my village in front of anyone. I used to go alone, I used to speak alone, and because whatever I knew about it, I used to speak. So at those days, I had to face problems, I had to struggle while speaking English language. Because if someone used to come with me, I used to meet someone like on the way I'm going, and someone is there, so he used to go with me, and I used to speak in my mother tongue, and my English speaking practice was broken, and that's why I could not speak continuously. That's why I could not practice of speaking English language continuously. And that's why my English is not so poor. I am just little hesitant while speaking English language. I'm just little nervous while speaking English language. I feel like I cannot speak. So that's why I'm saying that if you are learning, so my friend, just pay attention whatever you are doing, whatever you are learning in English language, and just keep doing, keep learning without breaking the consistency. And after learning it, just speak. You just need to show it to the people, you need to prove it to those people who are not valuing it, who are not thinking that you can do something through this language, you can do something by this language, with the help of this language. So you need to prove them. And one thing also, we all are learning English language, so it is our responsibility to make those people aware who are not aware about this language, like what is the use of this language and why should you learn it, why. Okay, so they are not aware about it. They are villager, and they don't have so much like we can say awareness about it. They don't have so much knowledge about it, that what is the use of this language, right? So after learning it, after just achieving this goal, after achieving this kind of fluency, you need to just prove them, and you need to show them that it is the power of education, it is the power of English language, right? So just keep doing your work, keep learning, keep speaking, and in the end of the day, they will say that yeah, whatever you are doing, it is good. Okay, so face criticism and face problems and face challenges, but keep doing. Okay, don't give up, and never ever give up, never ever give up. Okay, so this is what I wanted to share with you. I hope this video will be motivational and helpful for you. Thank you for watching.